Welcome to my tutorial on using the recovery seed phrase with the Trezor Safe 3 hardware wallet. We will start by connecting our Trezor Safe 3 to Trezor Suite and performing a factory reset to clear any previous seed phrase from the device. To do this, you will need to confirm in Trezor Suite that you've backed up your seed phrase, and then confirm the factory reset on your Trezor Safe 3 device as well. After the factory reset, Trezor Suite will run a security check on your device, which you'll also need to confirm directly on your Trezor Safe 3. Once the check is complete, Trezor Suite may offer a tutorial on using your Trezor Safe 3, but we'll skip that for now and proceed directly to setting up your Trezor again using a recovery seed phrase. To begin entering the recovery seed phrase into the Trezor Safe 3, start by confirming on the device that you are initiating the recovery process. Next, select the number of words in your seed phrase. In this example, it will be 12 words. Now we can proceed to enter the seed phrase. For this demonstration, I've prepared a 12-word seed phrase along with a passphrase. I've also noted down the first address of the wallet without the passphrase and the first address of the wallet with a passphrase, which we will verify later in the Sparrow wallet. Now I'll enter each word of the seed phrase one by one into the Trezor Safe 3 hardware wallet. I will speed up this process to save time. After successfully entering the seed phrase, we can set a PIN for the Trezor. I'll speed through this process to save some time. With the PIN now set on the Trezor Safe 3, we are ready to start using the hardware wallet. To learn how to use the Trezor Safe 3 in Sparrow Wallet and how to use a passphrase, watch my next video. You will find a link in the description below. And to learn more about Bitcoin self-custody, subscribe to my channel for more videos.